Step 9. The Odometer Settings. Press and hold the trigger switch for 3 seconds to get into the odometer setting. Submenu 1. The first submenu that you will see is strictly to display the total odometer of the gauge. This number cannot be changed or reset and will automatically accumulate the mileage since its installation. Submenu 2. Press the trigger switch once for the second submenu, which is settable odometer. Press and hold the trigger switch for 3 seconds. You will see the display read load, which will read the odometer off of the bike's ECU. Press and hold the trigger switch for 3 seconds and you can then program that number into the odometer. If your bike had 5,000 miles on it prior, you can then set the odometer to 5,000 to continue counting from that point on. Press and hold the trigger switch once to move over to the next scale. Press the trigger switch again to change the digit.